smoke in my eyes. Ooh, sorry, that did put smoke in my eyes, and yeah, it was a little painful to this eye right over here. You know. As you see, I am wearing a brand new bandana. Fits comfortably, the right color, and I like it. I think that's the most important. It's one of my many Christmas presents that I got this year. I mean, there's been decades that I didn't care and didn't get any. But this year, I got so many presents. Some of them were jokes. Ha ha ha. Yeah, they were fun. I mean, I've had that when I was a kid. They were done to me. I mean, the biggest joke, my brother Michael, he had got me a present. I think I was about 14 years old. 13, 14. I'm not sure exactly, but I know it was the year after that we moved into that old funeral home on North Lisbon Road. Well, anyways, it was a huge box. Wow, my eyes popped. I opened up the first wrap and pulled the box open. And there was another wrapping and another. It got down to the point where it was about maybe 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches, and all I got was I don't know, I don't remember what it was. I really don't. But the joke was that I had to open up 5 presents within one present to get nothing. Michael was as far as I'm concerned, is a genius. Yeah. No, he was the A student. I was the AB student. Oh, this is not supposed to be a scatterbrain, and I've already lost the subject matter. Well, it's not a bad evening tonight. Cloud cover is moving quickly. At one point in time, we could see the moon, and if you ever stared at the moon, that if you just stared at the moon itself, it looks like it's moving and not the clouds moving around it. It's called an optical illusion. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm enjoying this cigarette while I can. It's been almost an hour since my last cigarette, and believe me, I have been having cigarettes every 20 minutes to 30 minutes, an hour. I'm going to enjoy. All right, now. Now, we got to fill up another 45 seconds worth, so let's see how we're going to do that. Well, I could talk about the weather. I could talk about the other. I could talk about the either and other and weather and either weather. But whether or not it would matter is either other is not matter to me. Have a nice day.